Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get custom sound effects using Voicemod on this. So let's get started. So here we are in voicemod.net, and you will need to download the Voicemod app right here, and you want to click on this button right here, get Voicemod for free, so that you can download it. And after that, you would need to log in by connecting your Discord account, your Facebook, or your Google account, either whatever one you would choose, then it's fine. Then after you have connected it, you will be prompted right here and your download should be starting. And after you have finished it, you want to open it, and after you have opened it, let's just wait for it for a bit, and you want to click on yes and click on OK right here, and next again, and accept the agreement, and next, and install right there. And it's gonna take up a while to load, and it's extracting the files for installation. Let's just wait for it. So here it is done installing. So let's now go and click on finish so that we can launch the Voicemod app right there. Let's just wait for it. We actually want to minimize this. And here is the Voicemod right here. As you can see, it is now warming up, and let's now get started right there. And you need to verify your account right there. Open Voicemod, and here we are now in Voicemod right here, and all we have to do is click continue right here, or you could choose one of these. Let's go have fun with friends, and now click continue and continue again. When it is your first time launching Voicemod on your computer, you will be prompted with this one. You would need to select your microphone and of course select your speaker right here. So after that, you should be good to go right there. So now once you are here, we are now in the Voicemod main menu. So from here, we want to go into soundboard, because this is where we can create custom sound effects. And we have Nuke Alert, Gong, Selfie, we have Prankster right here, we have EDM, and so on. And now to connect our Voicemod into our Discord, we want to go into our Discord first. And from here, we want to go into user settings right here. And from the user settings, we want to go into voice and video. And from here, we want to go into the input device and make sure you are selecting Voicemod virtual audio device. And for the output device, make sure that you don't select this one, you don't select that. That is very important. And from there, what you want to do next is scroll down and to the input sensitivity. You want to go and adjust this according to your preference. So in my case, I like it just like this in the default setting. From that, and then the next thing that you want to go is just scroll down until you see noise suppression. You make sure that this is set to none right here. You don't want to use that because that is going to mess up your custom sound effects. And for the attenuation, you want to make sure that this is disabled right here, and you want to scroll down again, and from here, that is everything. So all you have to do now is simply go back right there, and you want to go hop on a call, and you can use the Voicemod right away. So how to use Voicemod? You can just simply assign a bind key right here. So let's say we want to add right here, we want to keybind this to G. So every time I press G, the gong sound will take effect right there. So that is how you use it. And in case you want to stop everything, then you can click here on stop sounds, and that is how you use Voicemod and create sound effects on Discord. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.